Okay, so here is a quick guide on how to use and import your flashcard into Anki to review them and actually study. So here you go on Anki web, then you download Anki, the latest version, Windows or Mac or iPhone even, or Linux. Then you go on the app Anki here. So when that's the menu, when you open Anki, it's gonna look something like this. You will not have that and not those decks already. But what we want to do here is to import file at the bottom, import file, click import file. Then we are gonna look for our file, actually the database of words. So here is the file, here is the document, click. Then you let everything by default except the deck. The deck, you're gonna change it. You're gonna add a new deck, add, let's name it 600 French words, okay. And you don't touch anything else. And you click on import, okay, everything added. Then you close and the deck pops up. So you click on your deck here, 600 French words, you click on it and study now. You click on study now and you're gonna have the English word, actor, and then you try to recall, to actually remember what's the French for actor. It's, and then you click at the bottom, show answer, un acteur en français, un acteur. And then if you had it, if it was really easy, you click on easy. If you had it, but it wasn't that easy, you just struggle. Or if you were wrong, you click on again. And here you're gonna review it in 1 minute, 10 minutes, or 4 days. So really try to be honest with the with with yourself and click on the right one. Here it was easy for me. Adjective, the French for adjective is un adjective, for example, again, etc., etc. And every day you're gonna study 20 new words, and you get a review other word from yesterday, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, etc., etc. So yeah, that's it for Anki. Excuse me, I'm a bit sick, but that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.